Good afternoon. Today we will be talking about quality control in seafood processing. Quality control, in technical definition sense, impacts the safety of all employees and customers, final consumers of seafood. It is important that we cover the basis of what prompts a quality control program and how it affects the safety of the employees. So let's get started. The goal of seafood processing is to produce a safe and wholesome product to sell at a reasonable market price. The way seafood processors are evaluated on their job is by how they adhere to the standard operating procedures of a processing facility. To do their job is to create a wholesome product that can later be sold. Having minimal mistakes on the processing line will contribute to this, and having knowledge of a quality control program will also supplement the way processors can do their job. Seafood that is processed incorrectly can be hazardous to a final consumer's health. Therefore, regulatory bodies exist on state, federal, and international levels to protect the final consumer. Part of this is regular inspections, audits of records, and audits of employees. To maximize efficiency in seafood processing, their standards must be held to the highest degree. When significant chemical, physical, or biological hazards are present during food processing, the FDA requires a hazard analysis and critical control plan to be in place, also known as a HACCP plan. This flow diagram outlines where the hazard is and at what point in processing it needs to be controlled. Once all potential hazards are identified and outlined in a HACCP plan, standard operating procedures exist to adhere and control these hazards. What they can be are daily sanitation records, plant inspections, product quality tests, cook times, freezer temperatures, and many more. The way that they're held are by records. These records are kept for up to 3 years in case audits happen or a product is identified by a consumer to be hazardous. It's a means of protection for the food processing facility. The end quality of a product directly is related to the safety of food processors during processing. A safe process where controls are being met and records are kept will ensure a safe and sound seafood product is being sold and consumed by a vast market. Thank you for listening. Have an awesome time.